KonForza is committed to creating a better experience for workers. That means more opportunities for you to do the work you want, all while ensuring you are paid on time, 10 business days after invoice. We are building a better foundation for you while we connect you with the best opportunities. Created by the industry, for the industry, KonForza is based on 19 years of experience at both levels of independent contractors and companies. This provides us with the excellent advantage of knowing the pros and cons of each side, and thus makes us capable of better serving both parties as a one-stop digital workforce solution in the wind energy sector. We are building the energy industry's largest marketplace, connecting independent contractors with work and matching companies with the workforce that will get the job done. You take your job seriously. And so do we. KonForza puts everything you need right at your fingertips. From jobs to payments, so you can focus on your work. At KonForza, we stand for flexibility to choose work wherever it suits you. A world of opportunities to work for and increase your career path. Transforming lives through the world of work-life balance. Global network for jobs. How does it work? Show us what you can do. Fill out your profile, upload a resume along with your relevant certifications, and set your work availability. We will connect you with the right opportunities for you. Find the right job. It's not just about the next job. It's about finding the right fit. Do your best. You're good at your job, and we're good at the rest. And the better you are, more jobs will come. KonForza has you covered. Get paid. Get ready for tomorrow. We understand that this is more than just a job for you. It's your career. We're here to help you move forward. We empower independent contractors to pursue the right opportunities for them. We are KonForza.